So we're just walking down the street here, checking things out. The coffee bean, tea leaf room. She likes coffee. Push the button, my dear. Hopefully everything's going to be okay with the truck. One thing can't get is a gas can, or they can get. So, this is Palm Springs. And as a kid, we used to hang out here a lot. Is your first time here? Ever been to Palm Springs before?
Nope.
All right. The theater. Ben and Jerry's. Ooh, Ben and Jerry's. This is where I was telling you about. Hold on. This used to be, the head shop was in here, or in there. This was a little plaza area. Really pretty in here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of Art Deco. So I guess there's a bar, restaurant up there. They've got some sofas. Pretty neat. Well, anyways, Ben and Jerry's is right there.
I know.
You like Ben and Jerry's?
I love Ben and Jerry's.
Me too. I love Ben and Jerry's more than I like Haagen-Dazs or any of the other ones.
Yeah.
Except, oh look, hold on, look. Now I know him.
Chase.
There's Chevy Chase. Flop Shop. Dining al fresco. Happy hour bar. You hungry?
We're not
Starving?
hungry.
See's candy. You want to go get some candy, little girl?
Do you want to make Kayla happy for her birthday? Send her something.
Send her something?
Sweet seeds. She loves seeds.
Yeah? See's candy. Haven't had See's candy since I was a little boy.
Yeah, some milk chocolate coconut buttercream.
Ooh.
There's a dark Bordeaux brown sugar buttercream.
Ooh.
And some milk molasses chips, honeycomb crisp.
You're awesome.
I remember those.
Are you guys next? Here, I'll take your wallet. He's got you, right? Alright.
You want to send her a box of... How do we ship them to her?
We go to the post office and get a box and put them in it.
Won't they melt? Does she like See's candy?
Oh yeah.
Now, who's this?
Yes.
I know, they don't know.
That's a container.
So like milk chocolates or dark chocolates?
Dark.
$37.40.
Dark, dark?
Anything else? Take gift cards to the level for any amount today. Items. We're good. Go ahead and swipe your card there, please.
Yeah, there you go.
So Kayla, happy birthday. Look what you got.
It does almost look like that.
All right, we just left the C's candy place. Oh my God, it's so good. Yeah, the plaza that I was talking about, I think it was actually here, because you can go back in this way. Mementos, gift shops.
Tie-dye Winnie the Pooh's.
Was that not like a good thing to do?
That was a good thing.
I think Kayla's going to be very happy. Mama got her some chocolate.
Lots of results.
Still walking down Palm Canyon. Oh, nice bicycles. There you go, honey. That's for us. You think?
Mm-hmm.
I'd let you even steer.
That's just like that pedal.
Yeah. Get behind it. Come on, woman. Paddle faster.
Hard Rock Hotel.
Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Palm Springs. Hmm? Where's pizza? Where? Right here? That's neat. Guess we're at pizza place.
Asiago cheese, drizzle, garlic sauce. It's only $3.25 a slice.
What do you think this one is?
If you're dining in, please take a seat.
Sorry about that, sir. How can I help you today?
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, perfect. How about for you?
Pizza time. Can't talk with my mouth full, but I'll show you. So how's the pizza? Hot? I haven't had a pizza in a long time. What's your pizza?
El Rey.
El Rey.
Pesto, mozzarella, smoked bacon, caramelized onions, tomatoes, chicken.
I got that one too, and I got the Elton John. It's got feta cheese and spinach and tomatoes on it.
Red
And-
onion, artichoke heart.
Yep, it's really good. So we just ate at Bill's Pizza. Fast slice, great pizza, and it really was really good. Here's our hours. If you're ever in Palm Springs, it's right across the street from the Hard Rock Cafe on La Plaza, and it's really pretty awesome.